State Representative John Nygren, co-chair of the Joint Finance Committee, showed you at WisPolitics a list, an estimate of what the state of Wisconsin could get in COVID-19 relief from the federal government. It totals $3.5 billion, maybe $3.2 if you subtract what you save in Medicaid, but let's not go that deep into the weeds. So let's talk about that. First of all, as you said, JR, Fiscal Bureau and even Speaker Voss has said $1.9 billion in funds controlled by the governor. I'm going to stop you right there because I interviewed Missy Hughes of WEDC yesterday, and she said she had done an ask of the governor for $100 million of that $1.9 billion for a program that she said could be called Restart 72. And that would help businesses in the fall after they have spent their payroll protection plan and SBA loan money. So, and also, JR, potential draws on that $1.9 billion that the governor controls is $50 million from the ag groups. You and I have heard about that. And the governor has said warm things about that, right?
Yep. So I said I was seriously considering it. Interview with an ag publication. Republican lawmakers have pressed him to do that. Look, we had a farm crisis before this all kicked in, right?
Yes,
this has only made it worse.
I want you to interpret what Representative Nygren told you, JR, or told WisPolitics. If Governor Evers is right and the state will see a decline of over $2 billion in revenues, we should utilize the federal money first in our response to COVID-19. Translation.
Well, there are strings on this money. You have to use it for COVID-19 expenses. Remember, the bill that actually two bills that Governor Evers put out, we're going to spend about $1.1 billion in general purpose revenue combined.
Yeah.
Republicans said, we're not spending any money until we have a better handle on this thing. Let's use the federal money first. So that's what he's talking about. Like, okay, there was a good, and to kind of paraphrase Nygren, good thing we didn't spend that money because we got to figure out how this federal money works first. And that's one thing Republicans have been asking is, how does this all work? We have not seen a public plan yet from the Evers administration of the $1.9 billion, where it's going, how it's being spent. So I think they want to have an accounting of some of this stuff first before they kind of jump into putting state money at the issue, especially because of the drop we're looking at. What money do we have to spend when it's all said and done?
Rewind. Your Week in Review is sponsored by the Wisconsin Realtors Association, bringing Wisconsin communities to life with great homes, businesses, and neighborhoods. The Wisconsin Realtors Association, the voice of real estate.